Hello, little explorers, and welcome to KidsWorld. Are you ready to go on a super fun shape adventure with me today? Look at all these amazing toys. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Let's discover them together. First up, what do we have here? It's a ball. Can you say ball? Great job! A ball is round, like a circle. See? It has no corners, and it can roll, roll, roll. Let's find more circles. Look at this button on my friend Teddy the bear. It's a circle too. And what about this yummy looking cookie? It's a circle. Circles are everywhere. Now, let's look for a different shape. Ooh, what's this? It's a block. This block has 4 sides that are all the same, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square. Can you say square? Wonderful! Let's see if we can build a tower with these square blocks, one on top of another. Wow! Look how tall it is. The window in our toy house is also a square. A perfect little square window. Next on our shape hunt is this. It looks like a little roof for our block tower. It has 3 sides and 3 pointy corners. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle. Say it with me. Triangle. It looks like a slice of pizza. Yum! Or the sail on a little boat. Let's put our triangle on top of our square tower. Look! We made a house, a square and a triangle together. Okay, let's see what's next in our toy box. Ah! Look at this. This shape is lawn. It has 4 sides, but it's not a square. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This is a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Awesome! This toy train car is a rectangle. And the door on our toy house is a rectangle too. Most books are rectangles. So many rectangles around us. And for our last shape today, let's find a shiny, twinkly shape. Here it is. It has 5 pointy corners. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a star, just like the stars you see in the sky at night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. We can put this beautiful star right at the top of our house. It looks so magical. Wow! You were all amazing shape detectives today. We found a round circle, a square with 4 equal sides, a pointy triangle, a long rectangle, and a twinkly star. Look at everything we built using our shapes. A tall house with a roof, a door, a window, and a star on top. You can find shapes everywhere you look. Go on your own shape hunt at home and see how many you can find. Thank you so much for playing and learning with me today on KidsWorld. It was so much fun! If you had a great time, ask a grown-up to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure. See you soon, little learners. Bye-bye.